Question number 4. A system is described as transfer function of x of n is equal to summation x of k. Means it is a accumulator. This given signal is an accumulator. Identify the correct characteristics of this. Here he is asking causality, linearity, and memoryless or memory system. He is asking these three characteristics of the given accumulator. Now we will discuss the what is causal, what is causal, what is linear, what is memory systems. A causal signal is defined as output depends on present output depends on present input, present output depends on present input plus past input, but not on future input. If it depends on future input, then it is called non-causal. So now we will see these options. Given signal is summation k is equal to n0 to n x of k. Here we can get three conditions. n0 can be 0, n0 less than small n, n0 greater than small n. These three cases we will see. First we will see n0 is equal to 0 case. First we will see the n0 is equal to 0 condition. For n0 is equal to 0 condition, y of n is equal to small k is equal to 0 to n x of k. For example, we need at n is equal to 2. At n is equal to 2, y of 2 is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to 2 x of k. Now it will becomes x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2. We are this case okay, it is causal in this case for n is equal to 2 case, because present output at n is equal to 2 we are taking input is previous input, n is equal to 1 previous input, n is equal to present input. We will see the another value for small n is equal to minus 1. We are saying that n0 is equal to 0, but we are not deciding the small n value. Now we are taking small n is equal to minus 1. So now substitute over y of minus 1 is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to minus 1 x of k. Expand this. K is equal to 0 x of 0 plus x of minus 1. By saying this case, we are taking output at n is equal to minus 1. Here input is minus 1. It's okay. But here comes input is taking at n is equal to 0, means it is future input. We are taking present output at n is equal to minus 1 case. We are taking at n is equal to minus 1 here. But the input is taking at n is equal to 0 case. Means it is future case. So output is depends on future output, future input. So it is not causal. So we can say this is not causal. This is not causal at n is equal to 0 case. We will see like this also at n naught is equal to greater than n. This is also not causal. If we will substitute the some values, we will get not causal. Here also not causal. Here also not causal. In this case, it is comes as causal. But by taking all the options of the n naught, we can conclude this is not causal. So we have decided one characteristics of the signal, that is non-causal, not causal, not causal. So we are getting two options. We are eliminating these two options. Now we will see the linearity. In both cases, given function is linear, correct? Because given function is summation of k is equal to n naught to n. This is a accumulator. Accumulator is a linearity in all cases. Accumulator is linear in all cases. So this is also correct. Now we will go for the memory less system or memory system. If we decide this one as memory or memory less, we can conclude which option is correct. Which option is correct. So we will see the concept for the memory system characteristics. Memory system concept. Memory system concept. A system is said to be memory system. Memory less system. We will see first memory less system. A system is said to be memory less system if the present output depends on only present input. Then it is called memory less system. Otherwise memory system. Memory system is called present output can depends on present input other than, we can write it as it is called other than present input means it can depends on future input or it can depends on past input. These two cases it is said to be memory system. So by seeing the options, we can say same as previous case. We have taken at n naught is equal to 0. The same example we will take here. For n naught is equal to 0, example, this is the k is equal to 0 to n. For n is equal to 0, we will take this one. Now this is the at n is equal to 2, we are taking the output, means at n is equal to is present output at n is equal to 2. This is present input at n is equal to 2. Present input n is equal to 2. Up to this is okay. But comes to here n is equal to 1, it is previous input. N is equal to 0 also previous input. This is also previous input. So we will say this is not a memory less system. It is a memory system. Means present output depends on present input as well as previous input. So this is not a memory-less system. This is a memory system. This is a memory system. Memory system means not memory-less. Not memory-less. Not memory-less system. So from options we can choose that option A as memory, not memory-less system. Option C also wrong. Only option A is correct. Option A is correct. It is not causal and it is linear. It is not memory-less system. This is the answer for this question. Thank you. We will also see the concept-wise videos for this signals and systems introduction part. We will see this later. Now we will discuss all the questions only. This question came in FRO exam, conducted TSpSC FRO exam in 2021, and as well as RPSC